C'est une chaîne de référence Canal Actu moo wuy tuuram ci wàllu actualité en temps réel bu ngeen bëgg tey xibaar bu wóor xibaar yu nu saytu ba mu leer nañ ngeen di ko am en temps réel maaw leen gaaw ngeen abonné bës leen cloche bi su ko defee ngeen doon membre ba faw ak Canal Actu ay xibaar yu nu saytu.
In this was ocean of life. Friendship is a lighthouse guiding ships through sometimes tumultuous waters. It is a lifetime that prevents us sinking when the wave of life tries to overwhelm us. Friendship is a precious treasure made of trust, respect, and companionship. Follow. Your flower is yours.
Nous avons le temps d'aller à l'école.
We have a time to learn.
Nous avons le temps d'apprendre.
We have a time to have a good education.
Nous avons le temps d'avoir une bonne éducation.
We have a time to read a lot of books.
Nous avons le temps de lire beaucoup de livres.
We have a time to learn many languages.
Nous avons le temps d'apprendre plusieurs langues.
We have a time to have knowledge.
Nous avons le temps d'avoir de la connaissance.
We have a time to know a lot of things.
Nous avons le temps de savoir beaucoup de choses.
We have a time to prepare our future.
Nous avons le temps de préparer notre avenir.
We have a time to become someone important.
Nous avons le temps de devenir quelqu'un d'important.
We have a time to build the world.
Nous avons le temps de construire le monde.
We prepare all today.
Nous préparons tout aujourd'hui.
A child
Un enfant
doesn't have a time to lose.
n'a pas le temps à perdre.
Lost time is never found again.
Le temps perdu ne se rattrape jamais.
And we say time is money.
Et on dit que le temps c'est de l'argent.
A woman gently, drive by drive, through trial and moment of happiness. It is strength and sincerity of excellence, internet of gesture. And true friendship, there are no must, no pretense, only freedom to be unselfish. We do fear of just me. The flowers is yours.
Friends are there, Ashley Angel, who bridging our dark days with their presence, smilers and warmth. Our heart with presence. They are witnesses to our history, guarding of disparate secrets. And their eyes we find a mirror reflecting to our essences, reminding us of who we are really are. Let me go of our.
What would life without sharing bursts of laughter? Deep conversations and to-the-night, spontaneous, our thanks and unforgettable adventure. Friendship, give meaning to our existence, transforming each day and now prayer of your book. Mambu Sosa Flower.
These precious bonds nurtured, filled with kindness and attention, fall in the garden of friendship. Every flower that blossoms has attached to our own.
S'il vous plaît, ngeen déglu ko. Moins de bruit, s'il vous plaît.
So let us cherish these precious bonds nurtured, filled with kindness and attention, fall in the garden of friendship. Every flower that blossoms has attached of beauty to our own. Thank you guys for your listening.
C'est une chaîne de référence Canal Actu moo wuy tuuram ci wàllu actualité en temps réel bu ngeen bëgg tey xibaar bu wóor xibaar yu nu saytu ba mu leer nañ ngeen di ko am en temps réel maaw leen gaaw ngeen abonné bës leen cloche bi su ko defee ngeen doon membre ba faw ak Canal Actu ay xibaar yu nu saytu.